In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, what you have to do is just run your network and internet troubleshooter. For that, just go to search and search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings, expand this section. Then what you have to do is just search for troubleshooter in here. And after you find troubleshooter settings, just go inside this. Then from here, just go to other troubleshooters. And from here, you gotta find network and internet. Just run this troubleshooter. Just give it some time. It's gonna run you the troubleshooter and find the problem for you. As you can see, I'm currently connected to the internet, so I don't have any problem with my network. If you do have some problem, it's gonna find it for you and help you solve those. After that, just close all this. Then what you can do is just go to your search and search for services. From the best matches, just open up services and then just find WLAN autoconfig, which is your Wi-Fi helper. Just search for it. And as you can see, I have found it over here. Just right click on it, click on properties. Make sure starter type is automatic. Then just click on apply, click on OK. Then just go ahead and right click on it and click on start. And if it's already started, just go ahead and click on restart. And after that, just close this out. And for the last step, what you have to do is just right click here on your internet and go to network and internet settings. From here, what you have to do is just go inside view advanced network settings. From here, under more settings, you'll find an option called network reset. This basically resets all network adapters to factory settings. Just go inside this and make sure to read all this, and your PC will be restarted after this. Just click on reset now. This is gonna reset all the network adapters to the factory settings or the default configuration. And after you click on it, just close all this and go ahead and manually restart your system if it doesn't automatically restart. And after that, hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.